Okay, so you have deployed your Vuejs application to Netlify. You have specified some routes and you preview your deployment and you browse to the About section. You try to do a refresh and you hit this page. What is going on? Well, it has to do with something called history mode fallback. So if we look at the documentation, they have some different examples of doing server configurations to redirect to index.html to get this working. So now to the question. How do we do this in Netlify? Well, let's hit up the Visual Studio Code, go to your public folder, create a new file that is called _redirects. Then you have to do like this in that file, and it with 1200. Okay, save. Let's commit that, adding redirect to index.html fallback. Let's stage that. Commit, push. Let's go to the deploys, and it's enqueued. So this is going to be interesting to see if the history mode is working. Let's just verify that it was committed. Yes. The file _redirects is there. And it's published. So let's go to that URL, browse. We go to the About section. We refresh. Wait for it, and it works. There you have it. Working history mode using Vue Router when deployed to Netlify. So, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips about Netlify and Vuejs.